Do you know why this lake creates shine in water? It creates shine because of microscopic organisms that emits lights at movement and creates blue lights called sea of stars. These organisms are called phytoplankton, that are single-celled organisms, contain certain types of organelles like Noctiluca scientillans and Pyrocystis, fusiforms known for creating stunning sea of stars with more amount, called dinoflagelates. This process of emission is called bioluminescence. There is still a concern, why does that only happens in certain seas? There are factors like temperature of 27 to 30 Celsius. Number 2 is their nutrients growth levels, because Noctilla fusiforms can make their own food with sunlight during photosynthesis process in presence of sunlight and temperature. Number 3 is their current levels, that depends on location and growth levels, peak seasons of having worth watching. Sea of stars are May to November, where temperature is rising. It depends on moon phases, like moonless nights, make sea of stars more shine. Compared to nights with moons, that phenomenon was first got attracted by the writer named Aristotle, who describes about bioluminescence processes in details in his book. Then in 19th century, it was discovered by French scientist Raphael Dubois. Still a question, how does moonless nights can make sea of stars more brighter? Meanwhile, we got to know in first a video that these organisms emits light. In my opinion, it is because of current that produce in water that work like electricity. Do you have some idea how does these organisms emits lights?